Friends, it's Liz here at Lizthepaperproject. Thank you for joining me today. I have some project shares to show you today, and I thought I would make the video a little different. I'm going to show you what I made first, and then I'm going to show you the items that I used that I'm featuring in this video. Most of them are from Inlovearts, and this is my haul video for them. Those of you that have watched these videos before, let me know what you think and if you like this format a little better. So the little bow I showed you is one of the items I'm going to be featuring, and I'm going to show you a little bit more in depth on all the pieces that I used from Inlovearts. I also have a coupon code for those of you that are interested in purchasing something. So in the front here, I added a bow. This is from one of the items I received from Inlovearts. And I really love the colors of this project. I wanted to make a winter themed stacked envelope. I have made these before, but I wanted to kind of do one that was a little bit more winter themed this time. So on the front here, I added a little ribbon to make it look like little snow. That white snowflake is part of the Inlovearts haul. And I wanted the envelope stack to have like a really nice winter theme. So of course I used a lot of embellishments to showcase that. This little flip here has lots of areas to tuck things in. Each envelope you can put, anything you're sending to your friends, like a little surprise every time they flip an envelope. I added another little pocket here in the front so you can tuck more pieces in. And some of the envelopes I made, some of them I had, and some of them I repurposed. So also the tops of the flips of the envelopes here, I've added some, decorations so you have something to look at. I did use a collection, I think I mentioned, from Simple Stories for the ephemera, and then some of the actual papers themselves are from a crepe paper collection. Here I made like little fake snow with a ribbon for the snowman, and again just lots of areas to add pieces that you can send to a friend. Here I have a tiny little envelope with a little tuck in the back for more pieces to be added. And stay tuned to the end, my friends, for a little surprise. And then when you do the next little flip, this little bow here is from what I'm featuring, the little bow there from Inlovearts, and then the little snowflake, and also that little oh my gosh, I forgot the name of this little piece, but I'll remember in a minute. That's also part of what I'm going to show you. And look how cute it turns out. I made one with like little valentines in it, and then I added a little bit of foam at the back to give it a little dimension. I think it's so adorable. And again, lots of places to tuck things in if you're sending something like this to a friend. I think this is so cute because it can sit on your desk, and I'm sure your friend would love it. Okay, so the next thing I'll be showing you is this little gift bag. I decorated it because I thought, when I send something, I like to decorate my little gift bags. So all the pieces that you see here, the little dies, are from Inlovearts. The only thing I've put here is the doily. And then what I used for the little hearts here, you can see they came out right out of the little bow there. And this is such a cute design. They're two different designs, and I'm just going to show you those at the end, like I mentioned. I'm also going to show you some, still shots at the end of the video if you're interested in seeing a close-up of what I'm showing you. The next one here, it is so adorable. It is one of those little boxes. It's so tiny, my friends. So again, I added a little gift there from Inlovearts, and what I did is I painted that little I guess the little bow with my Posca marker, because I didn't want it to be like the same color. Now the Posca marker and the little tool I show you are from Stationery Pal. I also have a coupon code for them, and I'll link that below in case you're interested. So I'm just showing you what the little gifts are. It comes in a set of 4, I believe. And then this is the little piece that I cut off on this part here, and I just left a little ribbon on the top. So that's another option that you can do with this little die. But it is so super cute. The box totally opens. You can put a little something in there as a gift. So super adorable. I really like when something comes out really nicely after you've die cut it. And this is one of those pieces that cuts out really, really nice. But I'll give you more details about that after. And I do have a coupon code for Inlovearts if I didn't mention that. If you're interested in purchasing something, I will link everything below and on my blog. So the next thing I did, this is another little pocket or bag that I didn't really decorate this one, but I wanted to show you what it looks like. It is super adorable. It can be made into like a little purse if you add handles. I thought that was another little cute one. And then these ones are another bag that I received from them. Now, this is a die that pretty much fits the width of your die cut machine, like not the length, but the width. It is so tight. Here I'm just using just a little rosette to decorate it. And then that little sweet is from one of my digital kits, from my mini, I believe it's my snail mail little kit. And the next one here, what am I going to show you next is the die cuts and everything else. So the first ones that I'm going to show you are the bows, and this is what they're called. So the one that's in the front of my envelope, stacked envelope, are these pieces here. Okay, and it's got the little snowflake, and it also has this one here, the little side snowflake. You're supposed to tuck these on the back, but I didn't use it for my project. And then you've got that other little Christmas set that I didn't really use it as Christmas, as you saw on the envelope. And then let me see what's here. The next one is the little snowflake crystal ball frame. That's what they call it. It is super cute, like I said, to make it. So it comes with all these little pieces here. It even has like a little label. And this one here, you don't get the actual snowflake. It actually just does the die cutting onto the paper itself. So you can see that there. And actually here's a little tip for you. If you have one of these little tools, you can also use it as your little pokey tool for any dies. I've started doing that instead of using my other tool that I had, because I'm already using this to, you know, in my work. And so I figured it is just super easy to use it as a pokey tool. So anyways, I'm going to clean that up there. So that is this one here. It is super adorable, and you can do so much with this. I mean, if you wanted to do a shaker, you could. I didn't make a shaker with it, but you certainly could do that as well. And then, like I said, it comes with all the little pieces, even the one that you can change the front bottom there, and the little circle piece in the center pops right out. And then the next one is this cute little candy one. I really like what it looked like. And like I said, I showed you on the little bag how I decorated it. And this is the bow that I showed you, the little hearts that pop right out. So it's kind of cute that you can actually use, you know, the pieces that pop out of your die when you're die cutting. And the next ones that I showed you, of course, were the little gifts. I didn't use the snowflake skates, but this is what the die looks like. And that is how all the pieces die cut out. So you see the little tree and then all the different little elements. The skates actually are in 3 parts, which is really cute because you can change all the colors. And then there's also like a little design there with the little snowflake right on the skate. That one is on the skate. So just keep that in mind. And then the next one here is the little gift boxes that I mentioned. Now for these ones, it is super adorable, and you obviously get to choose if you want to put like the bows, the different colors of bows, like these ones with the ribbon. So here's like how tiny it is. And like I said, I cut off this piece from it if I just wanted to use the double little bow at the top. And this is what this looks like. They cut so nice, their dies. I really, really like them. So I did want to mention that as well. And then the next piece here is a tiny little mini gift box. That's what they call it. Super adorable, like I said. It cuts out so nice. And it is just all one small die right here. And I love the stitching detail as well on these ones. It is super cute. And you can see what that looks like there. So you can bend everything down, and it even has the little, you know, cuts at the top, so you could tie a little ribbon if you wanted to. This is the mini taper shaped treat box, and like I said, I didn't really use this one. I just wanted to show you what that one looks like. And again, to me, it looks like a shape of a little purse. So maybe if I add a couple of handles on it, it would look like a little purse, and you can add some little pieces in it. And the next one is the large, it's called the portable mini treat bag, this one here, and it does cut out the little snowflakes. I find the snowflakes are really close to the edge, but that's the only thing that I found was a little bit kind of hard to, you know, to bend your page. And also it does not really give you the areas to fold. It just shows it to you on the die, but you actually have to score it yourself. So keep that in mind, that it only cuts out the shape. It doesn't cut out the score lines. I had to use my score board for that. And then the little Christmas deer, I did not use that one, but this is what it looks like, and this is how that cuts out. Super cute with the little designs in the center. I thought that was just adorable. And then the last thing that I didn't use was the stamp set, the holiday stamp set. I'll probably be using that next year in a project, but I just wanted to show you that as well. So I will leave all the links in the description box below. If you are a subscriber to my channel, I wanted to ask a couple questions so you can win some mail from me. You have to be a subscriber, and let me know, what was your favorite project that I made, and do you use metal dies in your projects? Leave a comment below. Let me know what you thought of this video, the way I switched things around a little bit. If you have watched my previous haul videos, you'll know that it's a little different. I'm trying things out to see how they work out for you, for me. Leave a comment below, like I said. Thank you for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell, leave me a thumbs up. And like I said, every time one of my haul or unboxing videos hits 1,000 views, I'm going to pick a winner from the comments, and I'll send you a little something as a thank you. Thanks so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.